Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Rakuten with Capital One and which app is better for cashback tool. So, starting with the ease of use. Both platforms offer a browser extension and mobile app. Rakuten is straightforward, just activate the cashback before checkout. If you talk about customization, Rakuten has a cashback focused partnership with thousands of retailers. So it pays out cashback quarterly via PayPal or check. If you talk about pricing and monetization, so both tools are free to use. There is no subscription, no hidden fees, and nothing like that. On the other hand, Rakuten also earns commissions from partner retailers. So if you talk about the other one, the capital marketing. So capital marketing automatically applies coupons and prices comparison, but it requires an account to earn reward. So as you can see over here on Walmart, on Men's Air Jordan, on Slim Softwash, there's all those coupons which you can use. So it goes beyond cashback. It also applies to find the lower prices and all the coupon codes which you can see over the website. And if you talk about the cashback option, it sometimes offer better instant discounts to the coupons, and it also has the money referral and data insight quality, which you can look into it. So at the end, if you want me that if you want any straightforward cashback, go with Rakuten. But if you prefer instant savings with coupons and price tracking, Capital One shopping is the better one option. And with that, I hope this video was clear for you. Thank you so much for watching.